So you may be in a position where for some reason you are getting an Instagram problem, or for some reason you just keep getting all these old posts showing up and you don't see any of the new posts that are coming out. Now, the reason why this may be happening, it's actually a very simple fix. It may mean that either you're not connected to an internet connection, you're not connected to Wi-Fi, and or Instagram is down. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi, internet, whatever the case is. So look on the top right corner, make sure you're connected. I would also recommend going to some other applications. So you can make your way over to something like the App Store, for example, try loading up some other things, and if things load up perfectly like they are for me, then you probably can rest assured that it's probably not a Wi-Fi issue. However, if you're going through and nothing is loading, and you're loading other apps and nothing else, well, if it's not like mail or something, if nothing else is loading, well, that probably means you have to connect to a Wi-Fi connection or get data connection, and you'll probably be good to go. Now, let's say that doesn't seem to be the case. Well, Instagram may actually end up being down. So what does this mean? Well, typically what happens is Instagram may be going through this little server issue right now where you pretty much just have to wait it out until they fix their servers. So a great way to detect this is actually by going to a website like downdetector.com. There's tons of other ones too. I think down some other websites too. There's a lot of them. And all you want to do here when you make your way to this website is to scroll through and see wherever you see Instagram. So Instagram is very popular. A majority of people pretty much state whenever they're having issues. There's a humongous spike within Instagram. Like this even kind of looks normal to be honest. But if there's like a crazy spike like this or like this or like that, then that typically means that Instagram is down and you're pretty much just going to have to wait until they fix that problem. Now let's say you do that and it's still not working. You may just want to double check that you didn't have to refresh that page. So by going up, you want to just refresh the page like this, and typically you should see the newest post as of this point as well. If that still doesn't work, I'd probably recommend going to your app store, searching up Instagram, and updating that application. Typically that should do it, and that's probably all you have to do as of that point. So that pretty much covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.